Hello students, in this video lecture of Unit 2, that is Structure of Atom, Part 16, you will be study towards energy level diagrams, that is energy distribution and orbitals. A diagram is representing relative energies of various orbital in an atom is called energy level diagram. In the energy level diagram, the filling of electron take place in different kind of atomic orbital. The energy of an electron is determined by the first two quantum number. First two quantum number, these are principal quantum number n and azimuthal quantum number l. While the other two specify orientation of orbital and spin of electron. Class, as you already know that there are four kind of quantum numbers. These are principal quantum number n, azimuthal quantum number L, magnetic quantum number M, and spin quantum number S. So initial two quantum number, that is principal quantum number N and azimuthal quantum number L. By these two quantum number, the energy of an electron is found to be determined. Last two means magnetic quantum number indicate the orientation of electron, orientation of orbital, and S indicate the spin of electron present in the particular orbital. So here in this diagram it is related to the hydrogen. In this one different cells are given, like here first cell, second cell, third cell, fourth cell. Class, as you already know that if the L value is 0 means first quantum first principal quantum means first cell. If the L value is found to be 1 means second cell, that is principal quantum number n value is equal to 2. L value 2 means principal quantum number is equal to 3. L value 3 means principal quantum number is equal to 4. These things you already know. Now here in this diagram, here different cells are given, first cell, second cell, third cell, fourth cell. So in the case of first cell, only S subcell is found. This you also know. In the case of second cell, S subcell and P subcell both are found. In the case of third cell, S subcell, P subcell and D subcell, three are found. In the case of fourth, cell, S subcell, P subcell, D subcell and AF subcell are four are found. So here we take the square to represent the orbital. As you know that in S subcell only one orbital is found. In P subcell three orbitals px, py, pz subcell are found. Px, py, pz orbitals are found. In the case of D subcell, five orbitals are found. These five orbitals dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square, y square and dz square. And in the case of F subcell, 7 orbitals are found. This you already know. Similarly, in the case of third cell, S subcell, P subcell, D subcell found. This you already know. So, during writing the electronic configuration, we fill the electron in these orbital from low energy level to the high energy level. Means first of all electron move to the S subcell, then P subcell, then D subcell, then F subcell of particular principal quantum number. But remember that the energy is not found to be always like 4s less than 4p, 4d, 4f. It value found to be changed if the principal quantum number value is found to be also changed. So this point should be remembered. Now we may write the electronic configuration for single electron chemical species and multi electron chemical species. So in the case of single electron chemical species, like in the case of hydrogen and hydrogen like atom, Hydrogen-like atom means ions. Hydrogen, class, you know that hydrogen, like atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So its electronic configuration for hydrogen, electronic configuration is found to be 1s1. So here, when the electron absorb energy, it may go to higher energy level. So really, first of all, electron fill up in ground state, means lowest energy level. If the particular chemical species absorb the energy, then that electron which was present in the lowest energy level migrate into higher energy level, and such state is known as excited state. So here the study of hydrogen spectrum reveals the various spectral lines mainly depend on the various main energy cell. Main energy cell means principal quantum number. Here it is also given subcell, sub energy cell present in the main energy cell. Sub energy cell means the subcell present in cell. Orbitals present in subcell. And you know that in the orbital finally electrons are found with the opposite spin. If two electrons are there, then their spin are found to be opposite. So here for example, 2s 2p orbitals have same energy. Similarly 3s 3p 3d orbitals have same energy. But this is in the case of chemical species containing single electron only. For hydrogen like species such as helium ion, which helium ion having here plus 1 charge, atomic number of helium is 2, plus 1 charge means 1 electron is eliminated, therefore 1 electron remain left, so it is also containing 1 electron. Lithium atomic number 3, 2 plus charge means 2 electron eliminated, therefore 1 electron also remain left. In the case of beryllium, you know that atomic number is 4, 3 plus means 3 electron is eliminated, therefore remains electron is 1. So these chemical species containing single electron only. So in such case, we will find out the energy also. So energy related to the N cell is found to be equal to minus 1312 upon n square into z square kilojoule per mole. So here n is the value of principal quantum number and z is the atomic number of given chemical species. For hydrogen atom, energy of orbital depend only on the value of n, that is value of n means value of principal quantum number. So here class, you know that in the principal quantum number, that is in the cell subcell, that is azimuthal quantum number are found. So here 1s, so 1 indicating principal quantum number, s indicating subcell, means n and l value are given. So here 1s containing less energy as compared to 2s, but 2s and 2p contain equal energy. These are found to be less than 3s, but 3s 3p 3d contain same energy level. Now these are found to be less as compared to the energy of fourth cell, but in the fourth cell different subcells are found like 4s 4p 4d 4f are contains uh, same energy. So in the case chemical species containing single electron means one electron, these situations are found. But if the multi-electron system is given, means if the particular ion or atom containing more than one electron, so in such case this trend is not found to be follow. So now note towards the system means element or ion containing more than one electron means multi-electron atoms. Here in the case of multi-electron atoms, the energy scheme is different from that of hydrogen atom. This you already know. The energy of subcell depend not only upon the quantum number n and l. Class, earlier I explained that the chemical species containing single electron, its energy value depend only on the value of principal quantum number n and azimuthal quantum number l. But the chemical species containing more than one electron, its energy value not only depend on n and l value but also upon the other electron present in the atom. It is not possible to calculate the exact energy of various subcell. because in the various subcells electron are found, that various subcell not have the identical energy. So in such case, exact energy can't be calculated. But the such chemical species containing only one electron, in that case we may calculate the value of exact value of energy. However, on the basis of spectral data, approximate value of energy can be determined. Energy level diagram is similar of all multi-electron atom and is given in the following figure, in this figure. So here, first point, the energy of subcell of main energy cell. Main energy cell means principal quantum number. Subcell means azimuthal quantum number. Possess different energy. For example, 3s, 3p, 3d possess different energy even though they belong to the same energy cell. That is, principal quantum number value n is equal to 3. So here in this diagram, see here at the y-axis energy increasing order given, and at x-axis the different value of azimuthal quantum number, that is L value are taken. So here L value is equal to 0 means principal quantum number value is 1. L value is 1 means principal quantum number value is 2. L value is 2 means principal quantum number value is 3, and L value is 3 means principal quantum number value is 4. So here L value 0 which indicate which subcell? S subcell. L value 1 indicate P subcell. L value 2 indicate D subcell, and L value 3 indicate F subcell. In this figure, in this diagram, these subcell are given. Here 7th cell contain 7 up to the 7 cell contain 7s. Energy decreasing order 7s, 6p, 5d, 4f, like that. In the case of 6th cell also given, similarly all the cell given. So here in the first cell means the value L is equal to 0, that only consists S subcell. Since L value is 0 belong to the first cell, therefore we should write as the electronic configuration 1s. But when the L value is 1 means P subcell, after the P subcell given, so at that time here if we taking the N value principal quantum number, that is second, then it consists 2s and 2p. Similarly in the other cases also. In a particular energy level, the subcell having higher value of L has higher energy. For example, the energy of 3p subcell, 3p subcell means P subcell, here we have to consider P subcell. P subcell belong to the azimuthal quantum number L is equal to 1, has higher energy than 3s. Here also L value 3s. So here L value is 0. In the case of 3p, P subcell means L value 1, 3s, here S subcell means L value 0. So in the case of 3p, L value 1, in the case of 3s, L value 0. So 3p will have the more energy as compared to the 3s, because the subcell which have the more value of L have the more energy. So energy of 3p subcell is higher as compared to energy of 3s subcell. In general, the order of energy in the main energy cell. Main energy cell means main energy. Basically, main energy means principal quantum number and azimuthal quantum number. So here, value of energy related to the S subcell is less than P subcell. Value of energy of P subcell is less than D subcell. Energy of D subcell less than F subcell. So corresponding L value, S subcell belong to the L value equal to 0, P subcell belong to the L value 1, D subcell belong to the L value 2, and F subcell belong to the L value 3. So here if we taking principal quantum number is equal to 4, means fourth cell if we taking. So in that case, energy of 4s less than energy of 4p, energy of 4p less than energy of 4d, and energy of 4d less than energy of 4f. That is, the energy difference between S subcell, S and P subcell of a particular energy cell is small. Between P and D subcell, it is more, while difference in energy in maximum between D and F subcell. So in short, we may say that when the value of L value is found to be increased, at that time the energy difference between two cumulative L value is also found to be increased. So here 4s and 4p, if we compare, then energy difference will be less. But if we compare the energy difference between 4p and 4d, that will be somewhat more as compared to energy difference between 4s and 4p. Similarly, energy difference between 4d and 4f will be more as compared to the energy difference between 4p and 4d as well as 4s and 4p. The energy difference, third point, the energy of all orbitals present in a subcell are same. Energy of all orbitals present in a subcell are same. Suppose the subcell is P. Suppose the subcell is P, which L value is equal to 1. So L value 1, subcell P, you know that subcell P subcell contain 3 orbital. 3 orbital. P subcell contain 3 orbital, Px, Py and Pz. So here orbitals present in P subcell, these are 3, and all these 3 have the equal energy to each other. So in other words, we may say that in the case of P subcell, the orbitals present in it, these are Px, Py and Pz, have equal energy to each other. Means energy of Px is equal to energy of Py, energy of Py equal to energy of Pz. But it should be remembered, these orbitals belong to the same shell, means same principal quantum number. So energy of 2px equal to energy of 2py, which is equal to the energy of 2pz. Similarly, all the 5d orbitals of 3d have same energy, means the orbitals belong to the particular subcell as well as particular principal quantum number always have the identical energy to each other. Next point is that as the value of n increase, some subcell of lower energy level may have higher energy than the energy of subcell of a higher energy cell. For example, 3D subcell has higher energy as compared to 4S subcell. In other words, we may say that it is not necessary that if the principal quantum number value is more, then it will always have the more energy as compared to the principal quantum number with the less value. Maybe possible the principal quantum number value is less, have more energy as compared to principal quantum number value more. Like here 3D and 3D and 4s. So in the case of 3D, principal quantum number value is 3. In the case of 4s, principal quantum number value is 4. So if we compare the energy according to the quantum number, the energy of third cell should be more, should be less as compared to energy of fourth cell. But here uh, we taking also the subcell. Here with the third cell subcell we taking D subcell, with the fourth cell subcell we taking S subcell. So in this situation, the energy of 3D is less as compared to energy of 3D is more as compared to 4s. So during filling the electron, always electron fill up from low energy level to the higher energy level. Means subcell which have low energy fill first as compared to the subcell which have the higher energy. So during filling the electron, first of all 4s subcell will fill first and then 3d subcell will fill, because the energy of 3d is more as compared to 4s. So here increasing order of the energy of various subcell are given. Energy of 1s subcell is less as compared to energy of 2s, which is less as compared to energy of 2p, which is less as compared to energy of 3s. Energy of 3s less as compared to energy of 3p. Energy of 3p is less than the energy of 4s, and energy of 4s less than the energy of 3d. Here energy of 4s and energy of 3d we just described. Similarly, energy of 3d less than energy of 4p, energy of 4p less than energy of 5s, energy of 4d less than the energy of 5p. So for such situation, where should the electron fill first? For that we take N plus Al rule. Suppose here we unable to justify where should be the electron reach first among 4s and 3d. So according to the rule, third cell have the less energy as compared to fourth cell, and we know that electron fill up from low energy level to the higher energy level. But here situation is contrast. In such cases, we should take the value of N plus L of both part, and the subcell which have value of N plus L less, value of N plus L less as compared to other value, then electron fill first there only, which consists the N plus value, N plus L value less. So here if we see, if we see if we see the value of N plus L in the case of 4s and 3d, in the case of 4s and 3d, 4s 3d, the N value in the case of 4s is 4, s subcell have the L value 0, so 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Now in the case of 3d, N value is 3 and D subcell correspond to the L value 2, so 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So here N plus L value of 4s is 4, but the N plus L value of 3d is 5. So the subcell which have the less value of N plus L, electron fill first there only. Therefore in the 4s electron will reach first, and then after filling 4s the electron will reach to the next subcell, that is electron will reach to the 3d subcell. These are the criteria. Class, sometime the value of N plus L of given two subcell are found to be same. So what should be the condition to fill up the electron? Suppose there are two subcell, let it is X and Y. These have the N plus L value equal to each other. In such situation, the subcell which have N plus, which have, since N plus L value are equal to each other, so in this situation the subcell which have less value of N, electron fill up first there only, and the subcell which have more value of N, after that electron enter in that. As the value of N increases, some subcell have lower energy. This already described. That increasing order of energy of various subcell. Here 1s less than 2s, 2s less than 2p, and so on and so forth. The relative order of energy of various subcell can be predicted with the help of N plus L rule. I just described this one. Again, listen. According to N plus L rule, first point is that the subcell having N plus L value lower has lower energy. For example, here 4s and 3d. N plus L value of 4s is N plus L value for the 4s. N value is 4 and L value is 0. So 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. In the case of 3d, N value is 3 and L value is 2. So if we add, it is equal to 5. So here in the case of 4s and 3d, in the in the case of 4s, n plus L value 4. In the case of 3d, n plus L value 5. So electron will reach first in 4s and then in 3d. Therefore, 4s having lower energy because it have the n plus value less as compared to the n plus L value of the 3d. Similarly, in the case of 5s and 4d, if we take the value of n plus L in the case of 5s, then n value is 5, L value is 0 equal to 5. In the case of 4d, n value 4 and L value 2 equal to 6. So where should the electron reach? So here value of n plus L related to 5s is 5, but the value of n plus L related to 4d is 6. So electron will reach in such subcell which have the n plus value lower. So here lower value of n plus L related to 5s. So electron will reach in 5s first and then electron will reach to the 4d. Therefore, finally we may say 5s having lower value has lower energy than 4d. If two subcells have same n plus L value, then the subcell with lower value of n has lower energy. This is also described if two subcells are there. Suppose the first subcell containing n plus L value equal to the n plus value of the second given subcell or given uh, main energy level. So in that situation, the electron field first there only which subcell have the lower value of n. For example, 4f and 5d. If we calculate the n plus L value, in the case of 4f, n that is principal quantum number is 4, L value related to the f subcell, L value is found to be 3. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So n plus L value is 7 in the case of 4f. Now in the case of 5d. In the case of 5d, n value is 5 and since here d subcell, therefore L value is 2. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So in this situation, both subcell that is 4f and 5d have the same value of n plus L. So where should the electron reach first? So in this situation, the subcell which have lower value of principal quantum number, that is lower value of n, fill first and then the electron reach to the higher value of principal quantum number. So finally we may say that in this situation, electron firstly will reach to the 4f and then electron will reach to the 5d. Since 4f subcell has lower energy, lower value of n, it has lower energy as compared to the 5d subcell. Thank you, students.